We are not stopping. We are going on. We are now at part D, right? Which is saying the limit. Let's have it. The limit as x approaches negative infinity. Okay. As x approaches negative infinity. Of here we are going to have x minus 1 all over x plus 1. Then we have a plus 6 like this. Okay. Now we have to solve this one. So let's move it to the left a bit. Like this. Okay, so what do we do in this situation? You see, this is so easy because we are getting limits of, remember that when you have limits of two things that are adding, you can just separate them. So I would like to separate the fraction in this 6 just to make it easy for me. Why would I combine them? So this is just going to be equal to the limit as x approaches negative infinity of negative infinities like this of x minus 1 over x plus 1 plus the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 6, right? Here we have it. So that's what we did. And then now we can go ahead. This is going to be equal to, what are we going to have now? This is going to be equal to, let's do this limit here. We have a limit as x approaches infinity, my friends. This is a limit at infinity. We don't care whether it's negative or positive. Infinity is infinity. It's a big number. It's a big number, though it's negative, but it's still very, very big. So when it divides, even being negative, it's going to produce something which is very, very close to 0, which we can just say is a 0. Because can I ask you, do you think 0 has a sign? Is 0 negative? No. Is 0 positive? No. So what is 0? It's neutral. So 0 will always come out as 0, whether we are dividing by negative or by positive infinity. But we don't just rush to divide. What we do is we divide everything in the fraction, the top and bottom, by the highest power of a variable in the denominator, which is x this time. So the highest power of x in the denominator, what's the highest power of x? Is just an x to the 1, which is just an x. So this is going to be the limit as x goes to negative infinity of everything is being divided by an x now. Minus 1 over x all over x plus 1 over x. Then this is going to be plus the limit. We don't care what we are approaching. Limit of a number is the number. So we don't care what we are approaching. Limit of a number is a number. So this will be plus 6. Now this is just going to be equal to, let's simplify. Here we have the limit as x approaches negative infinity of x over x is 1 minus 1 over x divided by x over x is 1 plus 1 over x. Then this is all plus 6. So now this is going to be the limit as x approaches negative infinity. What is the limit of 1 is going to be 1 minus the limit as x approaches a very big number is in the negative still, and this is in the denominator, getting in the denominator. So we have a big number here, and it's going to produce an answer which is very close to 0. Even if the answer was negative, it would be negative 0,0000000, which is just close to a 0, which we put a 0 for that. So this is going to be limit of this number is the number 1. Then plus the limit of this is just going to be 0. We know that, and it's going to be plus 6. So this is going to be 1 minus 0 is 1 over 1 plus 0 is 1 and plus 6. 1 over 1 is a 1 plus 6, which just gives us a 7. And this is going to be the final solution for part D. And we are done. We're going to go to the next one now in the next video. Goodbye for now.